Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Paramount Plus app on your Hisense smart TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to enjoy premium streaming content. Step 1. Turn on your Hisense smart TV and ensure it's connected to your home Wi-Fi network. A stable internet connection is necessary for streaming. Step 2. Navigate to the App Store on your Hisense TV. This is typically called Vida or another platform depending on your TV model. Step 3. Search for the Paramount Plus app using the search function. Type Paramount Plus or Paramount Plus to find the official application. Step 4. Select the Paramount Plus app from the search results and click the Download or Install button. Wait for the installation to complete. Step 5. Open the Paramount Plus app once it's installed on your TV. You'll be presented with a welcome screen and sign-in options. Step 6. Select the Sign In or Activate option. An activation code will appear on your TV screen along with a website URL. Step 7. On your computer or mobile device, visit the activation website displayed on your TV, typically paramountplus.com/activate. Step 8. Enter the activation code shown on your Hisense TV and sign in with your Paramount Plus account credentials. Your TV will automatically update and you can start watching shows, movies, and live sports immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.